Okay guys, so on our 68 Charger we just got out in Pleasant Hill, it has a 1970 440 HP. I showed you that. That's the engine that's in it. That engine is worth a fortune and it doesn't belong in a 68 Charger. So I'm going to pluck that out of it and sell the car that comes with a correct 68 block. Now I found this in our storage pile. Take a look at that motor. This is an original old, it's just the block, but take a look at those numbers right there. D440HP, 621 of 1968. This is the correct, not numbers matching, correct engine. But when I pull that 440 out of a car that runs, now I got a car that doesn't run. It's not going to pull any money on eBay. I need an engine that runs. We had this we plucked out of a car. It's like a 1975 440 HP out of a cop car or something like that. We believe this ran when it came out. We got a jump box over here, and we're going to try to start this engine on a K-member stand. All that can happen is kill everybody around us. And he's going to hot wire it. You ever heard the term hot wiring? That's where you take a wire like this. This wire right here is going to connect to the positive side of the coil right here. Then the other end is going to connect to the battery, and that's what you call hot wiring a car. All right, he is putting fuel inside the carburetor right now, and we're going to see what happens. I don't want to die. Marty don't care. This is uncapped headers, so
it's going to be loud.
It's going to be loud if it starts.
It's going to start.
Let's crank this mother biscuit. Hit that key on that limp biscuit. It's going to short out the starter to make it crank over. Not getting any spark.
Check my wiring for me, will you? It's got electronic ignition, so something might not be hooked up right.
Oh, the electronic ignition?
Typically you can just go right to the coil and it
doesn't have an electronic ignition. It's got a single wire point going to it.
Does it?
Yeah. That coil's hotter than the hubs of hell.
Points probably need cleaned. I've had it plugged in because I was checking to make sure the oil, feeding the oil and stuff.
Let's see if we got a spark right here. Hang on.
Oh, you want to do that way?
Yeah, hang on, don't shock me, don't shock me. I'm not interested in being shocked. Well, tempting as hell, but I don't want to.
Seems like it'd be entertaining to me.
It hurts. I don't like it. Okay, try it. Yeah, we got big spark, big spark. Disconnect the power to that so I don't kill myself. Okay. So we got spark to there. You've got...
I didn't pour any fuel down in the carburetor. So.
Yeah, pour some gas down. It actually has no fuel. Just dump that shit in there. Yeah. I like fuel. Marky like fuel. Marky love fuel.
I think it got plenty of fuel.
I think it did too.
Something else must be great.
440s are thirsty though, I'll tell you that.
I'm giving it lots.
We'll be back. Okay, let me show you guys what we had to do. Even though we were getting a spark at the coil, you guys, you young whippersnappers, don't know nothing about this. Can you see that little thing right there that I'm opening and closing? Mm-hmm. Those are the points. The points had to be filed, cleaned up, and opened up a little bit. They had slid almost completely shut. So now we believe we're going to have a spark. So this is going on back here. Right here, hopefully. That goes there. Oh boy. I say we try that. Give it a try.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Stay away from that fan.
I am away from that.
Propeller.
Okay, I'm away from it.
Arm cutter.
Hang on.
Oh, that's what we forgot.
There we go.
All right.
Careful now.
Here we go.
Runs good.
Oh my
Now we got an engine for our Charger. Good job, Martin.
Yes!
Hello ghouls, Mark Warman here, the Ice Tray from Graveyard Carz. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We have fantastic stuff coming up, and some of it you've never seen before. I gotta go insult people. Hey, Alice!